Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to move your entire house in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to move your entire house or relocate your house in Heartopia, you can use the blueprint feature. You're going to open the the watch, and then you're going to use the blueprint feature. And if I'm not mistaken, this blueprint feature will be unlocked after you reach level 7 in your DG member level. And then you're going to import your current blueprint. Click on the empty blueprint and you're going to select import. And then you can select the current home. Okay, select import. And then I'm going to name the blueprint. I'm just going to name it home. All right, done. And then we're going to click on confirm import. Okay, data has been imported. This is the blueprint I have just imported, guys. And then we're going to view the blueprint and select apply blueprint. Okay, then you're going to move your home like this. Move your house. I haven't unlocked this area yet, so I cannot use it. So I'm just going to place it here. Okay, just reposition it as you want, and once you're done you can click on confirm, but I'm not gonna move my house, so I'm just going to click on cancel. Okay guys, and that's how you can move your entire house using the blueprint feature in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.